Is your BMW 1 Series key fob not working? Let's start with the most common issue, the battery. BMW 1 Series fobs typically use a CR2032 battery, costing around $5 to $10. First, pry open the fob using a flat screwdriver. Ensure the new battery is inserted correctly, positive side up. Once replaced, test the fob by pressing buttons within 5 to 10 feet of your car. If it's still not working, try remote initialization. With the vehicle off, insert the key and turn it to position 1, which is accessories on. Then, simultaneously press the unlock and lock buttons for 5 seconds and turn the ignition off. Repeat this process 3 to 5 times. For newer smart key models, this helps repair the fob's RF signal and resolves most issues, especially after a battery change. If battery replacement and remote initialization don't solve the problem, you might have a FEM CAS synchronization issue. The FEM handles comfort features like keyless entry, while CAS manages the immobilizer and key validation. These issues often arise after ECU updates or battery disconnects. Fixing this typically requires a BMW-compatible OBD2 scanner like Carly or Foxwell. You'll need to read and clear error codes. Look for codes like 9F0 or 9F1 indicating CAS faults. In severe cases, you may need to visit a dealer for module reprogramming, which can cost $150 or more. For DIYers, some YouTube tutorials, like those from BMW Repair Guy, demonstrate using affordable OBD tools, but ensure the firmware matches to avoid further complications. Remember, incorrect synchronization can lead to immobilizer issues, so proceed with caution or consult a professional.